Hi, fellow creators. Welcome to my channel once again. The last video we made on Grok, where we did lip syncing, the video was wow. It was very good, but I came up with something more amazing. I mean, when I was done with it, I myself was shocked at what Grok could do. I mean, it was a conversation between two persons in different scenes. It was like a movie. It had lip syncing, and the characters were consistent in different backgrounds. So just stick through, let's walk through this together. The only favor I'm asking you for is to click on the subscribe button, please. So let's get started. So for this tutorial, we'll be needing an extension and ChatGPT to write the script. Then let's get started. So first of all, go to Google and type in this AutoWix automator for Wix AI. And once you click on it, you will be welcomed with this interface. So install the Chrome extension and you'll be good to go. I already have it installed, so I will just continue. Having done that, we would have to go to ChatGPT to generate our script for us. Here is the prompt I'll be using. The prompt will be made available in the Google Docs that is in my WhatsApp channel. Every prompt I've ever used in any video, as you can see, is here. You will see the title of the video, the link to the video, the YouTube link to the video, and the prompt that was used. So everything is going to be made available for you in the WhatsApp channel. So join the WhatsApp channel and have access to the doc. So let's continue. We'll copy the prompt and head over to ChatGPT. Okay, we'll be pasting the prompt here on ChatGPT and we'll hit generate. Our script is ready. Let's copy it and go back to the Google Docs. So under script with prompt, let's paste it there. We will have to then let's generate image for this for all the scenes. So we paste the prompt here and click enter. So our prompts are ready. We would copy them and go back to dots and paste them under image prompt. So to clean up this prompt, we will have to use the cleanup. We go to the last code here, we copy it, we go back to image prompt, Control H, and we'll paste it there. Current tab. Okay, we replace. The image is still there. Let's remove it. Control C, Control H, and replace. So we have the script alone, the prompt, image prompt alone. We'll copy all. So let's ask ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate the male and the female. So let's do that. So we ask ChatGPT to write a prompt to generate the female and the male. So let's go to the extension to start generating them. So this is the prompt for the female. Click on the extension and we go to Wix. So we'll be generating the image. Let's do that. Let's do the same thing for Daniel. So the male character is ready. Let's copy it and place on that character tab. Now let's generate the image for the style. So there's a style. We'll copy it and we'll paste it under the style tab. Now let's start the bulk generation of our prompt. So Control A, Control C, Control A, C. So we'll go here and we'll paste it on the prompt list. If you can't see it well, you expand it a bit. You scroll and you click on start. Run on this project. So all our images are ready. Let's start working. This is the first image. We'll copy it, copy image, then we'll go to Grok and we'll paste the image there. Change it to, okay, let's go to ChatGPT and let's go to the script. There's the first script. Let's copy it and let's go to Grok and paste the script there. Click on video, make video, and generate.
Do you remember the first day we met? You were sitting alone in that cafe, pretending to read but really watching the rain. Do you remember the first day we met? You were sitting alone in that cafe, pretending to read but really watching the rain.
What even amazed me is this, that Grok was able to identify this may I act softly and remove it. I was so surprised. I was thinking it would still say, but it skipped it. And before I was saying you have to put dialogue there. But I didn't put dialogue here and the video came out well. So I'll be doing this for all of the images and I would get back to you when I'm done so that you will see the finished product. All right, guys, we are done with the video. I'm done with the video. So I added some speech bubble. If you scroll down on CapCut, you will see this sticker. On the sticker, you go on the bubbles, you will see this bubble. So that's where I got the bubbles from. And I added some image to it, some videos to it to kind of display thought. So let's play the full video and see what we have.
Do you remember the first day we met? You were sitting alone in that cafe, pretending to read but really watching the rain.
I wasn't pretending. I was building the courage to talk to the most beautiful woman I had ever seen.
You mean the woman who spilled her coffee because you startled her? I thought you were going to disappear from embarrassment.
Hey, it was an accident. I almost did. But when you laughed instead of getting angry, I knew I wanted to hear that laugh for the rest of my life.
I was having the worst week of my life, and somehow your terrible joke about destiny made everything lighter.
It wasn't terrible. I said maybe the rain wanted us under the same roof. That's poetic.
It was cheesy, but it was the first time in days that I felt seen. Like someone noticed I was more than my worries.
I noticed your strength. Even when you talked about your fears, you sounded brave. That's when I fell for you.
And I fell for you the night you walked me home in the storm and held my hand like it was something precious.
It is precious. Every moment with you is. The quiet talks, the silly arguments, even the silence, we make it beautiful.
Promise me something, Daniel. When life gets loud and messy again, we'll remember this. How it started, simple and honest.
I promise. No matter how many storms come, I'll still choose you, just like I did on that rainy day.
All right, guys, so that's the video. Do want to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you'll be missing a lot. So till next time, happy creating.